talk about how technology can help us. With the technology, the first one is you need to look at your process. How is your onboarding process and who is playing what role in this onboarding process? You have a segregated roles and responsibilities here. So looking at the employee experience. So we are saying the onboarding process needs to have three players. The first one is the regional or the location HR. Somebody who's sitting in location if you have distributed workforce. If you're sitting in one location, then the corporate HR and regional HR would be one role. The very important one is an HR operations person who is running all the back-end activities required for running the onboarding process. So typically what you do is, what you said now getting highlighted, these are all basic information and big requirement and data gathering that needs to happen, which we are saying needs to rest with HR operations center. You can follow this information back to HR operations person who is able to manage this. Let me just run that again. So information like background verification, joining status report, getting onboarding pass, welcome mails and calls and SMSs, data filling, statutory forms, mailers to employees, bank accounts, medical insurance, being this survey filled by employees. If this is centralized and handed over to HR operations person, that will be the best onboarding process. Number two, pick up information which is where you have to deliver induction process. You're talking to the information, you're talking to the new employees about your organization culture, about your new organization process. You're also coordination for joining activities, and you're also getting a localized feel. This can rest with a localized person on the ground. And any workflow design, any changes in the overall process, that will rest with corporate HR who typically manage the designing of new processes. So number one, if you want to transform your onboarding process, look at the process end to end and ensure that you're creating roles and responsibilities and assign clear roles as to who's playing what roles here. After that, they come to the